Welcome, my people, to a new video from AI Made Tech Reviews. Today, we are going to do the charge and discharge test, the test of the real autonomy of the Apple Watch Series 8. Please remember that I bought this Apple Watch Series 8 used, and it did not come with its original charger, so let's see how it goes. This device is charging us. How long does it take to load? And how long does it take to completely download it? For this test, I'm going to use my Dodo Cool charger block, which is the one I've used for the other tests and the configurations of this charger. As you already know, charges at approximately 35 watts in USB Type-C. Apple does not recommend charging at 35 watts with non-original chargers, but hey, that's what it is, and that's what we're going to do. Let's start with our loading process. I connect here. And as we see, the Apple Watch does not turn off completely when it is 100% discharged. It stays in this state, which is more or less hibernation state. It is 6:16 a.m. on May 18th. At this time, the loading began. Here we are looking at the clock 15 minutes later. The clock is loading the system. It's 6:32 a.m. We already have 8% charge. Well, here we are back, and it's 6:51 a.m. Well, 6:52 a.m., let's see. And we have 14% charge. It's already 7:50 a.m. I already did some of the morning activities. 7:50 a.m. in the morning, 44% load. Well, here it is already 8:31 a.m. and we have 63% charge. If you notice, we have already been charging for more than 2 hours, and this is not with the original charger. I really don't know the features of the charger I'm using. It's 9:14 a.m. and we have an 82% charge. We have been here for approximately 3 hours charging the watch. I had to do my homework and go out with my power bank and the watch in my hand. It is already 9:39 a.m. and this is a fast charging power bank. It is 9:39 a.m. and we have 95% charge. When the watch completed its charge, I was not in the vehicle. So when I checked the history, I realized that it finished its charge at around 9:50 a.m. At this time, it reached 100%. The watch took 3 hours and 34 minutes to charge with the not original charger. Apple says that with the original charger, we can charge in approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now here in the download process, it is 5:56 p.m. I have been using the watch for almost 6 hours, and it tells me that I am at 87% charge. 9:34 p.m. at night, 9:34 p.m. at night. I'm almost going to bed and I have 79% charge left. Today, I didn't do exercises, I did errands, I couldn't do exercises. So I have lost 21% of battery only with messaging notifications such as Messenger, WhatsApp, and the occasional email notification. It is already Sunday, one day after the start of our tests. It is 7 a.m. on the morning of May 19th, and I have 60% charge left. 7:41 a.m. I'm going to do exercises. Today is May 19th, 7:41 a.m., and I have 56% charge left. As you can see here, I'm going to freshen up. I'm going to start my exercises. I'm going to start a race. And we officially start my exercises. Here I finished the part of the race, my running exercise, and it is 8:13 a.m. and I have 51% charge left. Okay, now I'm completing my walking exercise. It's 8:27 a.m. I have 48% charge left. It's already noon. I've done my exercises. I've already bathed. I've already had breakfast. I've done everything, and I have 34% charge left. And it's 12:43 p.m. 4:34 p.m. in the afternoon. We have now been using the watch for more than 24 hours without any problems. 4:34 p.m. in the afternoon, and I have 23% charge left. Okay! It's 9:13 p.m. at night, and the energy saving alert was activated. I have 10% left. I did not activate the energy saving. I left it normal, and I have 7% charge left at 10 p.m. at night. Finally, the next day would be May 20th. In the morning, it woke up discharged, but it was discharged at 12:04 a.m. Well, my people, and as you saw in the Apple Watch battery life test, I still have it here. In this test, I managed to spend more than 24 hours with the watch. Honestly, I was a little surprised by the autonomy. If I do the calculation like this quickly, how many hours it gave me? It gave me approximately from 10 o'clock in the morning of the 18th, if I calculate correctly until midnight on the 20th, to be exact. That means that I spent the 18th, the 19th completely with battery. The early morning of the 20th was when it completely discharged. That means it gave me a total of approximately 38 hours. I'm going to leave the calculation here of exactly how many hours it gave me, but being a quick calculation, I think it's more than acceptable. If you like the video, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Until next time.